Hello friends. Now we are going to study analysis of balanced three-phase load. First we will study three-phase three-wire balanced load, balanced star load basically. So here is the given load and the voltage across each phase is Vrn, Vyn and Vbn, and the magnitude of Vrn is equal to magnitude of Vyn is equal to magnitude of Vbn is equal to Vph. We can see from here, and Vph will be equal to VL upon root 3. Now the balance load means all impedance is equal, that is mod of z at the angle of theta. Now we want to calculate the value of IR, IY and IB. So the value of IR is equal to Vrn upon Z, means mod of Vph angle of 0. If you are taking R as a reference, so mod Vph at the angle of 0 upon mod Z at the angle of theta. In the same way, value of Iy will be equal to Vyn upon Z, means mod of Vph at the angle of minus 120 degree upon mod of Z at the angle of theta, as well as the value of Ib will become Vbn upon Z, means mod of Vph upon mod of Z at the angle of theta. So this is how we can calculate all the currents IR, Iy and Ib. And now we are going to discuss about the delta load. So this is the diagram of delta connected load. All the impedances are equal, so this is balanced delta load, and we know that the value of V Ry is equal to Vyb is equal to Vbr is equal to Vl. So we can calculate the value of IRy is equal to Vry upon Z, means if we are taking Vry as reference, so we can write VL at the angle of 0 upon mod of Z angle of theta, and we can calculate Iyb is equal to Vyb upon Z, means mod of VL at the angle of minus 120 degree upon Z angle of theta, and Vbn upon Z will give the value of Ibn, and that we can write as Vbn means VL at the angle of plus 120 degree upon mod of Z at the angle of theta. So this is how you can calculate the value of IRy, Iyb and Ibn in case of three-phase, three-wire balanced delta load. So this is, we have discussed about three-phase, three-wire star load as well as delta balanced load. Thank you guys.